Looking for Udemy free courses with a coupon? Then you're using one of the smartest ways to learn new skills without spending a lot of money. Most people think they have to buy every course they want, but the reality is that Udemy offers thousands of free courses, and many instructors also release limited-time 100% off coupons that allow learners to enroll in premium courses at no cost. That's why students, freelancers, bloggers, agency owners, e-commerce sellers, SaaS founders, and professionals constantly look for free Udemy courses and working Udemy coupons before purchasing anything. Some of the most popular free learning categories right now include AI, ChatGPT, Python, web development, digital marketing, data science, cybersecurity, AWS, business, graphic design, and project management. Udemy's free course catalog covers a wide range of in-demand skills across technology, business, and personal development. What's even better is that many learners use free courses to test a new skill before investing in a more advanced program. So whether you're trying to learn AI, start a freelance career, improve your marketing skills, build websites, analyze data, or grow your business, free courses can be a great starting point. And when you find a premium course that's exactly what you need, don't pay full price right away. Udemy frequently runs discounts, promotions, and special offers on many of its most popular courses. Before enrolling, check the description below. I've included links to free Udemy courses, available coupon offers, and current Udemy discounts that may help you learn new skills while spending as little as possible. And if you enjoy finding verified coupon codes, free courses, software deals, and online learning discounts, subscribe to the channel, because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.